Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In today's video, we are going to see about a problem 2824 in Leetcode, and the problem is count pairs whose sum is less than target. So let me read the question. Given a 0 indexed integer array nums of length n and an integer target, return the number of pairs of I, j where I is less than j and they both are in the range of 0 to n. And nums of I plus nums of j is less than target. So how to approach this problem? Let me explain this with the help of this example. Let's see here. I have minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 and target is 2. Now, what are the combinations I can get so that it is less than 2? It is less than 2. I say minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 2, and again minus 1 and 1. What are they? Just minus 1 and 1, and then minus 1 and 2, and then this minus 1 and this one, right? So we have got the answer. Now can I write 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1? No, it is wrong, because they have told that I should be always less than j, but now we have took I which is greater than j, so it won't comes. Okay, it won't works. Fine. Now the possible answer is 3. How can we approach this problem? Say I can get every single combinations and add them and check whether it is less than target, right? If it is less than target, I can increment the result value as 1, right? So let me write here minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 1. Can I say this is the first combination, like minus 1 with all elements? And what is the second combination? 1 with every elements, 1 with every elements. Now what is the third combination? 2 with every elements, right? Now what is the fourth combination? 3 with every elements. That's all. These are the combinations. Now let me write the sum. What is the sum of minus 1 and 1? 0. It is 1, it is 2, and it is also 0. 3, 4, 2, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. Now while we are seeing what are the values are less than 2, 0, 1, 0, then any other? No. So there are only 3 elements, So this is what my approach is. So how can we solve this? See here, can I fix an element for I, then I iterate to all the left of the elements as j and sum this both, then check whether it is less than target, right? So what is the code now? For I, which is range from 0 to n, and for j, which is range from I plus 1 to n, right? Why this I plus 1? Because I am going to check whether this minus 1 plus this all individual values is less than target, and then in next iteration I check whether this 1 plus this all right individual values sum is less than target, right? So that's why I am using I plus 1. Now finally I can give the condition as nums of I plus nums of j is less than target, Now I want to do result plus is equal to 1. Let result is equal to 0. Return result. This is the brute force approach, right? What is the time complexity? It is n square. What is the space complexity? It is 1. Why? Because I have used a outer for loop and I have used inner for loop. So altogether it is n square and there is no auxiliary space. So it is over 1. Now can we optimize it? how to optimize it, whether there is any solution. Let me take an example. 1, 2, take 3, 4, and 8, 9, 10. And let the target be, say, 11, 11, 11. Now, if the array's minimum value and the array's maximum value are added and it is less than target, then I can say the elements between them are the results. That is, if this 1 and this 10 sum is 11, which is equal to 11, so it won't work. Let me erase it. Now see here, this 1 and this 9 which sum to 10. 10 is less than 11, right? Adding 1 to 9 itself less than 11. So adding anything value that is less than 9 will end up at less than 11, right? Take for example 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 8 will be result in less than 11, right? So I can take this all values and add to result. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 values. So I can add it to result, right? So now result is 4. Then is the problem gets over? No. Now I want to check whether this 3 is okay with any other combination. So now my observation is like it is 2-pointer. A pointer is at start and pointer is at end, and it is like it is like from towards each other. So now this pointer is move towards 3. Now this pointer is already at 9. Whether I want to check again from 10. Is it true? No. Why? Because adding this 1 and 10 itself 11, which is equal to 11. But then obviously 3 plus 10 is also 13, which is greater than 11. So why I want to check from 10? Then where to check? I can check where the condition of 1 is okay, right? Where the condition of 1 is okay, because 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, which is less than 11, right? Then 3 plus 9 is equal to 12, but it is greater than 11. Still I can go from this pointer just ignoring the rightmost all values, just by ignoring the rightmost all values, right? So now 3 plus 9 is 12, which is greater than 11. Now this pointer moves here. 3 plus 8, which is equal to 11, which is equal to 11. So this pointer moves here. Now 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, which is less than 11. So I can take what are all intervals here. So there is only one interval. So 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So what is the output? It is 5. So this is the 2-pointer approach. So telling about the time complexity, what is the time complexity? We are just traversing once the every elements of the array, because this pointer goes here and this pointer moves here, and they stop when they both are met. Okay, when they both are met, they will stop. So I can say the time complexity is O of n, and what is the space? It is O of 1. I didn't use any auxiliary space, right? So it is O of 1. Let me explain the code. Just see here. This is the brute force approach. I have told. It is so easy. To understand. Now see this approach. In this painting, I have told you that this is my example. Right? This is my example. See here, when will I get the minimum value and maximum value. That is the minimum value in left and maximum value in the right, so that this 2-point approach can be done. This 2-point approach can be done. When the elements are in sorted order, when the elements are in sorted order, I can do this. Yes. So first I want to sort the elements in the nums. Then I am assigning res is equal to L is equal to 0, this left pointer. Now R is equal to length of nums minus 1. While L is less than R, that is when those 2 pointers are not met. Until the 2 pointers are not met, the loop continuously run. Now if nums of R plus nums of L is greater than target, okay, then what I have to, R minus is equal to 1. I have done here, right? See here, this 1 and this 10 is equal to target, right? This 1 and this 10 is equal to target, right? Then I shifted this pointer here. So that's why I have written like R minus is equal to 1. That is R is equal to R minus 1, right? Now else what I have to do, I want to take the entire part, the entire interval, okay, the entire interval. Like say if let me assume the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the target is 7. So a pointer is here and here. What is the sum of these two values? 6. 6 is less than 7, right? Then what are the answers? These are the answers. So my count will be 4. What are the indices of the array? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4. So 4 is added to the result. So that's why I have written res plus is equal to R minus L. Now you understood it. It is R, it is L. So R minus L is equal to 4, which I have to add to the result. Right? Now that is what I written here. Then after the whole iteration finished, I have written the result. So this is what the problem. Let me execute it. Yes. Fine. Okay. So this is what this problem states, and we have solved this problem. Thank you.